it's Kiana. Welcome back to my channel. This is probably the most useful video I could ever give you. I am sick all the damn time. My boyfriend literally calls me Sicklid, like as a pet name instead of babe, because I am always sick. It's just a thing. I always have a cold. I don't know. My immune system is stupid, trash. Thanks a lot. Sometimes you're sick or you're lazy and you have to go out and you have to look somewhat presentable, because most of the time I just roll out of bed and walk out my door. But then my mom looks at me and she's like, I'm just gonna show you how to like accentuate features to make it look super natural but put together. I filled my brows in with the Anastasia brow definer, but then I went in with the Glossier boy brow. Instead of going in with like a powder, it makes them look a little bit lighter, a little more natural. If you have thicker brows, you can just go in with the brow gel, but my eyebrows are so thin, they need a little bit of help. I like to look a little bit glowy because I'm not going to be wearing face makeup, and I'll show you what I mean by that. One of my favorite products to make my skin a little bit more glowy is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, but the luminous one. You can use any primer you want or just a glowy moisturizer. If you have oily skin, you probably want to use a mattifying primer, but whenever I am sick, my skin just looks dry, so I like to use anything that can make me look more luminous, and I just pat it into my skin. So if you look at my face, I feel like the first thing you notice is how dark my under eyes are. When I'm sick, they're 10 times worse, and I know a lot of people have dark under eye circles. So instead of just going in with foundation or a skin tint or whatever, I focus on basically bringing life back to my face. Go in with this product right here, which I love so much. This is the Mally Dark Circle Corrector. This isn't a concealer, it's a brightener. I'm going to take a little bit and focus it mainly where I have super dark circles. I just dot it on the outer corners. Right there, I go down the bridge of my nose like I would with a concealer, and I highlight the high points of my face. You can definitely do this with a concealer, but I highly recommend this product. I'll link it down below. It is so good for days like this when you don't want to go crazy on the makeup. So I start by blending out the high points, and you'll just see how much brightness it brings to my face. See how much brighter that is? Sometimes I just blend it in with my finger. This is really good to throw in your purse because you can put it over your concealer throughout the day if you're looking dull. Other thing that I like to do with this is I take it and I put it underneath my brow bone. It's a great way to just like elevate your brow bone. It's kind of like a brow bone highlight. The thing that I do is just blush. My face always looks really dull when I'm sick. A lot of the times I look really pale. I like to go in with a super rosy mauvey pink color, and I like to make my face look a lot more fleshed and red. I think it's really, really pretty. I'm going to go in with this darkest shade right here on a Real Techniques brush. I love this brush for blush. I put it on my nose, put it on my forehead, just like even out color. I don't know. Now I have some color, because before I definitely didn't. I like to make my eyelashes look a little bit longer naturally. Wander Beauty Mascara. It's the Volume and Curl Mascara. It's so fluffy of a wand. Now originally I tried this mascara and I didn't like it because it doesn't really do much for your lashes in my opinion. This mascara is so good for sick days because it makes your lashes look like they're naturally a little bit darker, a little bit longer. They stand out a little bit more. It kind of evens out your face more. It definitely makes me feel more presentable, but I still think it looks super, super natural. Then the last thing that I do is just my lips. The Rosebud Salve Lip Balm. It's just a potted lip balm. As you can tell, I really like it. I've made a huge dent in it. This is one of my favorite products for a wash of color. This is the Glossier Generation Little Lip Tint. So this one's in the shade Like. This is such a sheer little wash of color. It's super comfortable on the lips. It fades really nicely, and it just gives you a little more color to your lips. If you don't have one of the Glossier lipsticks, but you want to get that like blotted lip look, you can go in with any lipstick. This is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Bond Girl. It's a darker color, so I just want to prove that you can make any lipstick sheer. Tap it on your lips. Just like tap it out. This literally takes like 5 minutes, makes you look so much more awake. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll link down the products I was talking about below. And yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video or if you use these tips to just help yourself look a little more done up in the morning. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!
Met her in the club, all the ballers showing love. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love.